Hello children, welcome back to my class. Today's our topic is basic proportionality theorems proof. How we are going to prove. First we will see the statement of basic proportionality theorem. What is basic proportionality theorem says is, in a triangle, if a line drawn to join two sides at distinct points, if a line drawn parallel to one side, it is meeting these two sides in distinct points, then this parallel line will divide other two sides AB and AC proportionally, that is AD by BD is equals to AE by EC. So if a line drawn parallel to the one side of the triangle at distinct points, then this line will divide other two sides in proportion. That is the statement of basic proportionality theorem. We'll see proof now. So let me join these. It's a construction. Join. Draw two perpendiculars. Okay. Name it as N. Draw one more perpendicular. Name it as M. See here now how many triangles formed. See here. Taking DE as base, triangle BDE formed. Again taking DE as base, DEC, triangle DEC as in formed. ADE. Here DE has with the base of DE, you have another triangle, that is ADE. We'll try to find the areas now. Proof. Area of triangle ADE. See, I have drawn two perpendiculars here. Okay. Now first I am taking this EN as height, right? What is the area of triangle formula? Half into base into height. What is base? Is AD. I am taking area of triangle AD. AD is base. AD is base. Height how much? Is EN. Now I am taking triangle BDE. Writing area of triangle BDE. So what is area? Half into base. What is base? Base is BD. Into what is height? Height is again EN. So you may get out. So triangle is here, BDE, and height is outside. See, this is an obtuse angle triangle. In an obtuse angle triangle, one of the heights fall outside the triangle. So triangle BDE, base is BD, it's an extension B. See, BD is extended till A. So BD is base and its height is EN. So I have written. Right? Now you can divide this. Area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE. So what is the value? Area of triangle AD how much? Half into AD into EN by half into BD into EN. See here, half and EN. Same terms will get cancelled. What will remain? AD by BD. This you can mark as equation 1. Okay. Now let us take one more triangle. That is area of triangle ADE. Now area of triangle ADE only I am taking, but now height I am taking as DM. So what it becomes? Half into, see here, DM height I have taken, then what is base? AE. AE into the base AE, height is DM or MD. Now area of triangle DE as base, one more triangle is there. What is it? DEC or CED. Area of triangle DEC is half into EC into same height DM. It is an obtuse triangle. Height is falling outside the triangle. Divide these two also. So area of triangle ADE by area of triangle DEC. Okay. So what will get? Half AE into DM by half into EC into DM. See here, DM, half. Same terms will get cancelled. So what will remain? AE by EC. So we will write AE by EC. So this will mark as equation 2. See here, this triangle BDE and triangle DEC are lying in between two parallel lines and they have common base as DE. So their areas are equal. So area of triangle BDE is equals to area of triangle DEC. Why? Because they are lying in between two parallel lines and they have the common base, that is DE. Okay. Triangle BDE and triangle DEC are lying in between two parallel lines and they have the common base as DE. So their areas are equal. So if their areas are equal, equation 1 is equals to equation 2. See here, BDE, DEC and the AED, ADE. So equation 1 equals to equation 2. So this, therefore equation 1 is equals to equation 2. Right? Now what is equation 1? That is AD by BD equals to AE by EC. That's how we prove basic proportionality theorem. It's the simplest way. Okay. So now what is the statement again? Statement has been proved now. AD by BD equals to AE by EC. In any triangle, if you draw a parallel line opposite to one side which meets two sides at distinct points, then that line will divide other two sides in proportional. That is AD by BD equals to AE by EC. See here, DE is a parallel line which drawn to parallel to BC. Then this parallel line DE will divide AB and AC in proportion. That's what we proved. AD by BD equals to AE by EC. See here, this equation and this equation are equal because their LHSs are equal. Because here area of triangle ADE is common term and we have proved area of triangle BDE equals to area of triangle DEC because they lie in between two parallel lines and they have the common base, which we already learned in our 9th class. Okay, this is your basic proportionality theorem proof. Hope you have understood it. Thank you.